Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we're doing something on what is supposed to be, it's advertised as sort of like an AI toy, or a smart toy, but we'll figure that out as we go. But what are we actually looking at? Well, we are looking at this smart dog multifunctional toy. Yeah, I'm not sure why I got this. I just thought, you know what, it might actually be a bit of fun. Unfortunately, the dog the real dog, absolutely hates it. I can't use it when he's around. He does not stop barking, but he barks from the other side of the room. He won't go near it. Where the remote control cars, they'll go up to it and he'll sniff them and then back away barking. This he won't go near. Okay, so relatively well packaged. You get instructions, and it comes with a QR code because this will work with an app. You can download an app, but for people that don't like apps on their phones, there's a lot of us people out there, it does also come with a pretty much a remote control that will do everything, or get this dog to do everything that it can do. So you don't need to download the app. You can, but you don't need to. And here is the dog itself. Currently looks like roadkill when it comes out of the box. It looks literally like something's been run over. Now I bet you guys are all really excited, aren't you? You're literally, wow, this is going to be amazing. To me, it doesn't look bad actually. For the price point, it doesn't look bad. It's all pretty well made. It's pretty good, solid. I kind of like the graphics on it. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Yeah, so with this, it does come with a rechargeable battery. It's a 500 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt battery. It's not connected when you first get it. Connect it up, and away you go. And it charges. You don't have to take the battery out to charge it, which I think is really good. Most, like all the remote control cars I bought and the excavators and things, you have to take the battery out and plug it into a charger. This you don't. It charges via USB-C port at the back there, which I think is really good. So, we'll have a look at that in a minute, a bit closer. But first, let's have a look at what the actual... I'm getting old. Let's have a look at what it can supposedly do. So, as you can see on the remote, you have got, starting at the top, you've got sit down, you've got surrender, get down, there's handshake, urinate, attack, greetings, act cute. You got forward, left, right, pause, swimming, handstand, push up, patrol, kung fu, story, dance, sleep, music, and pee. And I'm not sure what a pee is. I thought it would have been other pee, but there's urinate, so it's probably not that. So yeah, it can potentially do quite a lot of things. And this is basically just like you know, your standard shaped Xbox controller, really. Let's take 3 AA batteries. But yeah, not terrible. As you can see from the remote, this can do, apparently, a multitude of things. So, let's turn it on. It comes on and it waves at you. Now, there is one thing it does say. It says do not use on carpet. With this, it's supposed to be used on hard floors, linos, laminate, that sort of thing. It does not, it says do not, you know, more than once. It says do not use. And in fact, it's in big writing at the front there. please do not operate on the carpet, so as not to complete the action. I think what it means is it can't do its moves on carpet. So can it do it on laminate? Well, let's go and have a look, shall we? For this, we'll take it into the other room. Okay, so I've put it onto the floor on the laminate, and let's see. We'll start off by telling it, well, we'll get it to sit down. There you go. It sits down. Wow, this is amazing. What about get down? And that's where things go a little bit tits up, because it's on as low well as the legs. At the end of the legs are wheels, so when it's doing its moves, it will skate off. Okay, so what else have we got? Let me get my glasses. I can't see the remote. What about, let's do execute. And again, get back there, you stupid. Cooper, leave it. Leave it. Right, let's do execute again. Now this time it didn't skate forward. Right, there it goes. Cooper, leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Okay, so let's do... No, leave it. It was meant to be your friend. It was going to keep you company. Let's do urinate. Now, I'm not sure what the sound effects are all about. Oh, he's getting brave. No, there he ain't. Hey, Cooper, stop. No, go back upstairs with Lois. Go on, go upstairs. Go on, off you go. Don't like it, so pee off. Okay, let's put it back here. Let's do push up. And again, I mean, I'm not sure why it has to go forward all the time. Put it, let's say, do dance. Yeah, that's not what the? That was well, that was something, wasn't it? That was something. Yeah. Wow. Okay, story.
Little lamb and the wolf. Wolf meeting with the lamb astray from the fold, resolved not to lay violent hands on him, but to find some pity to justify.
Okay, that.
The old cat. An old woman had a cat.
Okay, it's got more than one story. You press story again.
The thirsty pigeon. A pigeon oppressed by excessive thirst.
Okay. So it's got more than one story. It's got more than one dance. Music. What? I'm not sure what the movement's all about. What about sleep? And then it gets up and it goes for a bloody ride. Greetings. What about greetings? Okay. So that's greetings. Kung Fu. Okay, back kicks. Not sure what part of Kung Fu that is. And that's it. Okay, well, you know. And apparently you can also make it go left and right. Let's try and turn left. That is it turning. Not the greatest. Yeah. And just put it here a minute. You can also make it go forward. Okay, I've let go of the button and it's still going. Pause. Well, thank you very much, little doggy. Thank you for your assistance in this video. How about a handshake? Oh. That's not a handshake. For God's sake. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. We got there in the end. We got there in the end. Okay. Okay. Did I do surrender? Let's have a go. Let's do surrender. And okay. Okay, we've killed it. You okay? You alright? You okay? Yeah? Okay. So I'm sure you guys enjoyed a little demo of what this so-called smart dog can do. I think the smart in the title is a bit misleading. It doesn't learn. There's no AI or really smart functions about this. It is fully remote control or app controlled. So yeah, I'm basing my review of this as a remote control toy, nothing else, because it basically is. It's a remote control toy, and it's okay. It's okay. It's not the best. It's a bit clunky. It's a bit cumbersome when it does its moves, but it does do a variety of moves. It does do, and they come with annoying sound effects. So I think this would appeal to those people out there, and you know who you are, who like to buy annoying presents for, you know, maybe your niece, your nephew, your cousins, your best friend's children, you know, maybe your work colleagues. If you do buy and exchange gifts, like my wife, she exchanged gifts with people that she works with and their kids and that. I don't. I kind of work on my own, so yeah, this would annoy a lot of people. Yeah, if you're one of those people that look for an annoying gift, you couldn't really do much better than this, because the sound is quite annoying, the moves are quite annoying, the fact that it kind of goes where it wants. It will do a move and then it pushes itself up and then it will just wheel off. And I think younger kids especially would probably enjoy this for a while. Things like the urinate, they'll probably do all the time. Some of the movements are questionable. There was a lot of hip action going on in some of the moves, if you know what I mean. So would I recommend this remote control dog? I'm not going to call it a smart dog, it's remote control. I do and I don't. I do and I don't, because I think, although it does do a variety of things, and it does them reasonably well, a bit clunky, but it does do them, you're gonna run out of kind of fun with it reasonably quickly, I think, because literally there's no learning involved. It won't learn what you want it to do. It doesn't learn your name. As far as I'm aware, there's no camera, so it doesn't learn what you look like. There's nothing smart about it. So I think once you've kind of been through the remote control and done all the things a few times, most kids are probably going to get bored with it. But saying that, as I say, if you want to get an annoying gift for somebody, this is perfect. It really is. Because I think a lot of people would be annoyed. You know, or dogs. Yeah, you got a bit of a wussy dog. He definitely won't like it. So yeah. Anyway, that does it for this video of the so-called Smart Dog multifunctional toy. But what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments as usual. This has been out a while, but I just got it because the price has come down a bit. And I just wanted to see what it was like, really. And this will now be sold before Christmas, because I think it would make a decent present for somebody. I don't know who, but somebody out there, it would make a decent present. But yeah, that does it for this video. So as usual, if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help. If you want to see more content coming up, because there's plenty coming up, please hit that subscribe button. Yeah, and if you've got any questions about this, I will try and answer them as honestly as I can. So just drop that down in the comments. But that's me done for this video. The dog will be pleased that it's going back in its box now. Not this dog, our dog. Real dog. Although he's not that smart either. But yeah, I'm going to get out of here. I hope to see all you guys very, very soon in the next one. But for now, bye guys.